First of all, a very good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principal, and all my dear friends. As you know that I am Vivek Sharma, student of class 9. Today I am present here to deliver a speech on the topic of misconception about home science. Many people think that home science is for girls because they are interested. They think that the cooking, cleaning, and home management is for girls. But nowadays it is not for girls. It is useful as well as humans and man and woman because it teach us the decoration of house, health management, and many things. By the help of home science, we can open our new business like resort, hotel, and many things. Home science teach us the multidisciplinary subject is multidisciplinary subject is how to decorate our house and how to attractive the guest in our house. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Shubham Yadav of Standard 9, and today I am here to talk about a very important topic which has been misunderstood by many of us. Yes, I am talking about the misconception about home science. When we think about home science, then we compare it by only cooking, cleaning, and take care of household. But when we go deeply and learn about home science, then we realize that home science is not limited with this type of example. Home science is a much broad field which combines science, technology, and art. Home science is a multidisciplinary field. It shows us about nutrition, child development, textile, and home management, etc. Home science play a vital role in our education. It's improve our quality of education. It's required creativity, innovation, and adaptability. Home science has potential to improve the condition of human and create a better future. Home science is not for only girls. It is all for humans and boys because it's play a vital role in education of every boys and girls. Thank you.
Thank you to higher official for giving me this opportunity to speak about my experiences on this platform. Good morning to all respected teachers, principal, and all my dear friends. I am Kausar Ansari from Standard 9. Today, I am here to speak about a topic which hides the truth that home science as misconception. Home science is often misunderstood as just learning to cook or household works, but it is much more that many people think that home science is a subject only for girls, but it is wrong assumption. This is unfair. This creates an inequality between men and women in the society. It is a comprehensive discipline that combines science with our daily lives and includes various subjects such as nutrition, clothing, and designing work. One common misconception is that home science is a low status subject considered only for those who do not perform well in academic areas. Another misconception is that home science does not lead to professional success, but in reality it opens door to professional success. And in last, this will create an harmonious and a social life. That's all. Thank you.
So first of all, a very very good evening to all of you, respected teachers, principals, judges, and my all dear friends. Myself Satyam Patel of standing on a front of you and presently reading in class 9, and today we gave me a golden opportunity to share something about misconception about home science on the behalf of CBSE competitive school. As we all know that home science is a subject that deals with a family member. So firstly we can say that home science is a higher approach to girls and boys, but it is a wrong assumption for girls. Home science is a subject that deals with various aspects to deliver for something times. All the peoples where misconceptions home science is for girls, it is a wrong assumption for the boys because the home science is a subject that deals with various aspects of daily life, including cooking, bathing, and many types of extra things. So firstly, home science is a contemporary for all boys and girls. So thank you.
A good morning to one, a lovely good morning to one and one present here. Respected principal sir, respected teacher, respected judges and all my dear classmates. It's immense pleasure and honor that I am standing before you today. Myself, Wajid Ansari, student of class 9. Today we are gathered here to say something about an amazing topics which taught a various lesson. And more than that person who said that work should be done by male and that this work should be done by female. And also taught the students how to live a balanced life, and economics, family, and many others. So yes, guys, I am talking about misconception of home science. So let's get details about these topics. Many people think home science is a subject covering house cooking, household crops, but however, this is misconception. So what is home science? So, home science is a multidisciplinary subject that combines various knowledge from different kinds like economics, nutrition, science, and physiology, etc. So, what is the misconception of home science? First, gender discrimination. You think why we said gender discrimination? No, then I will tell about gender discrimination. You see some person in your society, in your village, who talking about gender discrimination. He said that it's man's responsibility to earn money. It's woman's responsibility to cook food, and it's woman's responsibility to maintain house. And said that it's men are free to move outside from house, but women are do not free to move outside from house. If women are want to move outside from house, then he gets permission from his parents. But if men are want to move outside from house, then he gets permission, do not get permission from his parents. This is gender discrimination, and this is the misconception of home science. And another misconception of home science is domestic tasks, while cooking, sneezing, and maintaining a part of home science are the part of home science. Now, home science cover advanced topics like physical development, mental development, and many others. In students, it said that improve the quality of life. So what's the aim of home science? The aim of home science is improve the quality of life. Let's suppose an example. We can work in ourselves, then we look smart, interesting, and then we look attractive. This is the aim of home science. In students, it helps us to how to communicate with each other and develop our confidence. In conclusion, in last we said that home science is not a subject teaching, cooking and many others, but it is a multidisciplinary subject which taught a child development, many others. If we work in this work, then we develop our confidence and get our future bright and strong. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
First of very good morning to all of you, respected teacher, all you my friends. My name is Satyam Patel from class 9. I am the reversing of topic of the about of the home science. Home science, the about is a home fitness science. The about is a home fitness science is a legit how to it teach it. What is a home science? What is a home fitness science? Home fitness science is a without that of thing.
Good morning, respected chairperson, respected principal, respected teacher, and all my dear friends. My name is Prakash Yadav from class 9. Today my topic is a misconception about home science. Home science is often misunderstood as subject that focus only cook and household courses. Many people believe it is a simple subject. It is a simple subject. However, this is a misconception. This misconception is about women work forms housewife, which is a home science is many way of the work performed. Major misconception is that home science is only for girls. Firstly, home science means that all perform work to work house, in many ways paths or courses of housewife. In calculation in which the in which the home science is not before the discriminations. Home science is a multidisciplinary subject that's only for girls. When the home science is true for work house, which is the many way form the girls in a home. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Afridi Qureshi from class 9. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of misconception in home science. Home science only teaches cooking, stitching in home from conception in child care. We cannot deny the fact that life home science only means that one major misconception is that home science is for girls. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sunny Yadav. I read in class 9. Today I am deliver a short speech on the topic of misconception in home science. Home science is a which subject teach us household course. It is some people are think that it is only for girls, but this is not true. It is both together, boy and girl. Home science is very hard subject. Thank you.
First of all, myself Rohit Patel of Standard 9. Today my topic is misconception about home science. Many people think home science it includes to human resource studying how to people get time. It may women in girls. Home science is only for women, but some people are women for home science. This is not true. Both men and women can be benefit in learning to skill life and providing opportunity for a personal growth. These activities in a social areas so that many activated to the social crime. These areas so that advantage and disadvantage. Or that's all. Thank you.
Good morning, respected judge, teacher and fellow student. My name is Aswani Singh and I am a student of class 9. Today I am here to talk about a very important topic of misconception about home science. Home science is a subject that teaches about household chores, health and environment. But many people think that home science is only for girls, that it's an easy subject. But that's not true. Home science is a subject that teaches about household chores, health and environment. Home science is a subject that useful for everyone, whether you are boy and girls. It can make a cooking and cleaning, but home science is a subject that teaches about. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. My name is Ravi Chaudhary from class 8. I am delivered to speech of misconcept about home science. Many things home science is just cooking and sweating. People believe in easy subject that not some things is it. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Abhinav Patel from class 9. Today I am going to share my thoughts on the topic which resonates with everyone, either in my house or in yours. The misconception about home science. Misconception about home science means cooking, cleaning utensils, cleaning house, cleaning textiles is work of a woman, and just like decorating house is also a work of woman. Is thoughts of ours is this not thought of ourselves? We should think of this And in my angle of view, I would like to say our youth to be aware for this topic. The role of youth in building a better nation is both vital and transformative. For this, I would like to quote Mr. Swami Vivekanand. Mr. Swami Vivekanand would believe that the youths of India can transform the country, and they have potential to transform the country, and they should take on a central role to do so. They should be educated to turn the history and be noted in the history. That's all. Thank you.
A warm and pleasant good afternoon to all present here, respected teachers, principal and all my dear friends. Myself Nitin Patel from studying in class 9. Today I am delivering a speech on the topic of misconception about home science. Home science is often misunderstood as merely cooking and housekeeping, but it is much more than that. It is multidisciplinary field that include nutrients, human development, textiles, and resource management. Many believes it is only for women, but it is essential for everyone, as it teach life a skill. Some life lack career opportunity. But it is open a field open a field like fashion and education. Home science is a better living, equipping individual with knowledge and more efficient life. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Jans Patel from class 9. Today my topic is misconception about home science. Home science is merely a subject that deals with cooking and household chores. However, it is much more than that. Home science that area include management, science, technology, and household chores that improve our quality of life. Contrary to misconception about home science is merely a subject. It is valuable for all gender, but no for all women. It promoting to sustainable development of our life. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Rehan Jia from class 9. Today I am here to deliver a short speech on the topic of misconceptions about home science. Home science is a subject that is closely related to our daily lives, and it's studied to help us manage our households better. There are several misconceptions about home science and determine its importance. Home science is only for women. The most common misconceptions is that home science is only for women. It is not a real science. Some people believe that home science is just like knowledge and experience, and it is not a real science. Home science is only teaches to domestic courses. Home science is a broad and diverse field. That's all. Thank you.
A very warm and pleasant morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and all my dear friends. My name is Sarsraj from class 9th I am here to deliver a short speech on the topic of misconception of home science. Before starting my speech, let us know what is home science. It is a subject in which we study about our house and our family. It is a scientific discipline that allows us to study about our house and our family. Let us understand its some common misconceptions which are not true because they have no scientific reason. Let us understand them one by one. Firstly, its misconceptions are: firstly, limitation of a skill. Second, boys are stronger than girls. Third, thank you.
A pleasant good morning to all of you. I am Sanjal Rehan from class 9 and I am present here to deliver a short speech on the topic of misconception about home science. For many, the term home science may evoke thoughts of
cleaning, cooking, maybe sewing and knitting. There are many misconceptions about home science. One of the most famous misconception about home science that is limited to the cooking. While cooking is certainly a part of it, home science is not just limited to the repairing a meal and maintaining a room. It is a comprehensive field that combines various disciplines such as nutrition, child development, family dynamics, and even environmental science. Another misconception is that is only predominantly for women, but it is for both men and women, regardless of gender. The knowledge and skill are both impactful for men and women for a healthy and sustainable life. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Aditya Yadav from class 9th. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of misconception about home science. We all know that misconception is a term stand for a bit consists of a real science. But a person about think a real science. About a perform harmony. That's why the person division of sexual division labor, men and women. The men is very stronger than physically, and they about outside of house and need our family requirement, and the women work about the home and domestic, like take care of child, family, making food, textile. And today earlier this family very seen about the misconception about home science, but our today modern world it is a all person have equal rights. Like Saina Nehwal is a badminton player, but it is a woman and famous all over the world, and that's not domestic work about use, they about the outside of work. That's all. Thank you.
A warm and pleasant morning to all of you, respected teachers, principal sir, director ma'am, and all my dear friends. I am Vivek Kumar from Standard 8, and today I got chance to share my experience on the topic of misconception about home science. Home science teach only domestic work. Another misconception is home science that provide education related to household goals. In reality, home science is a float and broadcasting and health management, financial management, and physiology. Home science is not a real science, but some people believe that it is a real science and common knowledge experience. Home science is a thank you.
A warm and pleasant morning to respected chairperson, principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. This is Jyotish Kumar Singh from Standard 9, standing in front of you to tell about misconception about home science. A common misconception about home science is that it solely focuses on domestic tasks like cooking, sewing, and home decoration, essentially implying it that only about being a good housewife, when in reality it is a scientific discipline that encompasses a much broader range of topics, including nutrients, human development, resource management, textile science, and communication, with a focus on applying scientific knowledge to improve family well-being and quality of life. That's all. Thank you for your great attention towards my speech.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Aryan Kumar from class 8. Today our topic is misconception of home science. It's true that home science is often from several misconceptions, and here are some of the most common misconceptions, like home science is just about cooking and sewing, and it is only for girls and women. But it is not true. Home science is the dynamic field that equips essential life skills to improve your professional activities. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and all my dear friends. Today my topic is misconception about home science. Home science means the art of managing your resource efficiently, and science means honesty and good home as well as successful life. Home science is a career behind kitchen and home management. Home science create many industry, and student study for prepare a good for education. Home science is a take care of sick employee and get a opportunity to different type of art and provide to health care. Home science is a art give up to knowledge and new skills, and kitchen and home management. Home science is a valuable subject for every boy and girl. They get the equal opportunity to develop your life and get provide to gender equality. Home science is easy to study for depend upon your interest and background. Home science is a some topic as food nutrition, kitchen and management. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is MD Faiz Ahmad from class 9. Today my topic is misconception about home science. Home science is often misunderstood as merely a substance is merely a subject that connect with people and however it is much more than that. Home science is very difficult for girls. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed judge and my fellow students, good morning to all of you. Myself Krishna Kumar from class 9 and today's my topic is misconception about home science. Home science is an interdisciplinary field that combines various types of aspects of knowledge that improve the quality of life. These cover subjects like home development, society development, economic development, and textile. However, despite all important, many people have misconception about this topic. And the first and all perhaps the most common misconception about this topic is that the home science is a study of cooking and cleaning. While it is true, but it is not totally correct because the cleaning and cooking is a part of home science. And lastly, I talked to you that science is nothing but well-trained and educated common sense that helps in and influence the physiology and environmental studies. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Only a storm of hot passions can turn into the destiny of people because he alone arose without its simplicity. So, good evening everyone. Myself Omji and I am a student of CBSE competitive school and I am standing on front of you to talk about on the fascinating topic, the misconception about home science. So first one, what is home science? So home science is an interdisciplinary system of our life. So in other words, we say home science is a discipline and a profession in which everyone say it is for only boys and girls. No, according to me, it is only for both boys and girls. So in our society, it was a myth. It was a real myth that it is not only for girls. That is for boys. So in which cooking, sewage, cooking and textile appearing in is all together. So that is our social myth. So that's why we can say that it is for boys and girls. Thank you.
It's give me immense pleasure, auspicious occasion to heartily welcome to everybody. Heartily welcome our principal sir, heartily welcome our chairperson and teachers and my lovely friends. I am Sundaram Pradhan from class 9th. Today's our presentation topic is misconception about home science. Home science is many people predict that home science is such a subject there, home, cleaning, sewing and cooking. But this prediction is wrong at all. Home science is a such subject. Home science it is a basic life skills and important human manufacturing. The person who he preserve our time and money, he bringing a child on many other facilities and as we all know that every coin has two faces. One is negative and the other is positive. On the basis of gender, the person who derive their work in the home, the women who which are work their home, bringing a child, etc. But men not bringing a child but not more comparatively than a woman. the woman is freely move outside anywhere to everywhere. This reason it is India is so man first day. That's all. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you, respected principal, teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Ravi Kumar from class 9 and today I am here to speak about misconception about home science. I want to address a common misconception that often surrounds the field of home science. Many people view it as simply cooking and cleaning, but home science is much more than that. The home science is the skill that we see in our home. It blends aspects of nutrition, family dynamics, technology, and physiology. We all goal with the improving everyday life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and my all dear friends. I am Abhinandan Kumar from class 9. I stand here to talk about an important topic, misconception of home science. Many people have misconception of home science such that home science is only for girls, cooking, cleaning and extracts, and it is false. Home science is more than that. Home science is like interior home design, cooking, it is. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principal and all my dear friends. Myself, Sir Kesri, the student of 9th standard. Today my topic is misconception about home science. There is misconception about home science is many people thinks it is for girls, not for boys. But as we know that we are live in modern century where home science is very important for every person. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Abhishek Kumar from class 9. Today I want to talk about misconception about home science, a subject that has long been misunderstood and underestimated. Home science. Many people believe that home science is just about cooking, stitching and household chores, but is that really all it is? Let's break this misconception. Home science is a multidisciplinary field that combines science, nutrition, psychology, economic and extractor. Thank you.
So good evening to one and all present here, respected judges, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Srishti Sri from Standard 9 and today I am standing in the CBSE campus to deliver my speech on the topic of the misconception about the home science. So it is a very crucial matter because as we know that today the society has made a stereotype about the home science. They only thought that in this working profession, the people only have to do the cooking work, the sanitizing work of house. They only have to do cleaning, dusting, and that's it. The women is very treated lowly as a passive citizen, not as an active. The reason that they think that woman is the only person who does these kind of works, but it is not true. Housewives are the women who make the house more powerful. They educate their children, and when a children gets education from his mother, then he learns about the importance of what a person should live a life like. In home science, it's not about the profession of doing only dusting, cleaning, cooking. It's about a hotel management course. People spend lots of money on doing hotel management course. What they learn in these types of course? They learn the same thing, managing and interior designing. But a woman is a home designer of her house itself because she learns from the childhood She knows how to maintain a housework, but she treated as a lowly person. Why? This is a stereotype of society. So we should break it and let the person know that how much it is important that a person should know whether a man, a woman, everyone should know about their housework because it doesn't matter who you are. You should have to know basic. It's just like the basic education what you get from your school. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.
With profound regards and immense honor, I wish the respected principal sir, hardworking teachers, beloved my brothers and sisters, good morning to you all. I am Nancy from Standard 9. Today I am here to talk about a subject that is often misunderstood, misconception about home science. When you hear the term home science, what comes to mind? Stitching, cooking, clothing, and household chores. Unfortunately, these outdated stereotypes have overshadowed the tuitions of this field. Home science is not just about managing home. It is a science of better living, covering nutrition, psychology, textile, and resource management. Let us clear about some misconception about this subject. Misconception first, home science is only for girls. One of the biggest myths is that home science is only for girls. In reality, it is for everyone, whether it is boys and girls alike. Misconception second, home science is an easy subject. Many believes that home science is an easy subject that requires no effort. In reality, it is a subject that which requires for all living human beings, and in this it includes experiment, research, and assignments. Misconception third, home science does not offer career opportunities. Many believe that people think and believe that home science has no future, but in reality, it may become graduates and can become dietitians, nutritionists, fashion designers, chefs, and even entrepreneurs. It covers up many paths like industries, like household, and it is a misconception for. Home science is only for cooking and sewing. While cooking and sewing are part of the subject, this is very important for humans and all living beings that home science provide us career great opportunities and give us essential life skills. So let us change our perspectives and give the respect that subject it deserves. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
A very gratifying morning to all the audience present here. This is Alia Parveen from grade 9th. We all know that home science is all about skills which help us to improve how to live at home. I know it's a very interesting topic, but many people have some misunderstandings about home science which is reducing one's interest about it. Let's take a look about those misconceptions. But firstly, we have to know what is home science. Home science is the study of everyday life skills which help to improve how to live at home. It covers topics like cooking, taking care of children, managing money, and keeping house clean and organized. It also teaches us how to take care of our health and making good decisions for the family. The goal is to make life easier and better at home. Secondly, we will talk about those misconceptions. First, home science is only about household. Many people think that home science only covers topics like cooking and cleaning, but in reality, it includes a wide range of subjects like family management, health, nutrition, and psychology. Second, it's only for girls. Many people think that home science is only for girls, but it's not a gender-based subject because it teaches us how to live at home. So everyone should have interest in it, whether it's a girl or a boy, it doesn't matter. Third, home science is not scientific. Many people think that home science is not scientific, but in reality it is based on scientific principles like biology, chemistry, and psychology. Fourth, home science is outdated and irrelevant today. Many people think that home science is outdated and irrelevant, but in reality, it's modern and highly relevant, addressing current issues like family, health, nutrition, sustainability, and psychology. Fifth, no career opportunities. Many people think that there is no career opportunities with home science, but home science offers diverse career paths in fields like nutrition, family management, interior designing, event management, and community development. Due to those misconceptions, people are losing their interest about home science. At last, I just want to say that listen to all, but do what your heart says. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers, honorable principal sir, and all my dear friends. First of all, thank you to give me this opportunity to share my thoughts. My name is Parul Singh from class 9, currently read in CBSE Competitive School Mohania in Cameroon. Today I am standing here to deliver a speech on the topic of the misconception about home science. We all know that home science is not just about household chores. It is a study of managing resource. It's help in both personal and professional life. Many people think that home science is only for girls, but it is wrong thinking because everyone needs to learn about home science. People that can be called the home sciences can do only for girls, only housewife, only for girls child, but it is wrong thinking. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Ragini Singh from Standard 9 and today I will talk about an important topic, misconception about home science. Many people think about home science is only about cooking and cleaning, but that's not true. It helps us in daily life and careers. So, thank you.
Good morning. Before I start, I would like to thank higher official for giving an opportunity to share my thoughts. I, Simran Kumari, on the behalf of student committee, I am standing here and voice out my thoughts about misconception about home science. Firstly, many people think that home science is only cleaning and cooking, but that is more than that. Home science is multidisciplinary field that combines science, technology, and art to maintain home healthy and happy. Another misconception is home science is only for girls, but that is not true. Home science is for everyone, boys, girls, women, and men. Home science is very important for all us. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Khushi Gupta from class 9 of CBSE Competitive School. Today I am so glad that I got a chance to give a speech in front of you. This is my pleasure to get a golden opportunity like this. Today I am here to give a speech on the topic of the misconception about home science. Today I want to talk about the importance of misconception about home science. Firstly, many people can think that home science is only for cooking and cleaning. Many of us have misconception home science is about and I'd like to some of these myths. Another misconception are that home science is only for women, but this is not true. Home science is for everyone, men and women, boys and girls, and I do like to emphasize that home science is everyone. That's all. Thank you.
A lovely pleasant good morning to all present here. This is Akansha Kumari of Standard 9. Today I am excited to talk about the misconception about home science. Home science is for only women. That's all.
Good morning to all of you. This is Meenakshi Singh from class 9. Today I am standing here to talk about my misphobia of the home science. A common home science that swimming, bathing and etc.
First of all, a very good morning to all of you, my respected teachers, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Sweta Kumari from Standard 9. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of misconception about home science. As we know that also produce
Good morning to all and present here. I am Pami Gupta from Standard 9. Today I got a chance to share my thoughts on the topic of misconception about science home. I spoke the line on misconception of science home. Many people think that it is cleaning, cooking or staging, but home science is far more than it. It is the multidisciplinary combination of science, nature, human development and resource management. One of the major myths that misconception about science home is only for girls. That is correctly wrong. this is correctly wrong. I thought this is the important quality which is essential for everyone regardless of gender. Another misconception about home science, that is an easy subject. In reality, home science is involving specific nutrition and also. Thank you.
A lovely good morning, respected judges, teachers, and my fellow competitors. I am Ashia Parvez. I am 9th grade student here at CBSE Competitive School. Today, I am excited to share my thoughts on the topic of misconception about home science. Many people think that misconception about home science is about cooking and cleaning, but this is wrong. A misconception. Home science is a subject that helps us to understand many important things we use in our daily life. It helps to know how to manage our time and how to cook healthy food and how to make our home clean and safe. First misconception about home science is some people think that home science is study only girls. This is wrong. Home science is for everyone. Both girls and boys learn how to cook healthy food and make good choice for healthy food and keep environment clean. Another misconception is home science is not important, but it is very important because it helps to make our easier life, and it teaches us how to live our life happier, and that's all. Thank you.
Good morning, fellow students, respected teachers. I am Aditi Singh from Standard 9th, and I am here to talking about a subject that is often misunderstood and unvalued: home science. First, most of us think that home science is only for cooking and cleaning, but not. It's so much more than that. Home science is a field that combines science, technology, and arts to improve our daily lives. So many misconceptions about them. Let's explore some misconceptions about home science. First misconception is home science is only for girls. This is a common misconception, but it is not true. Home science is for everyone who wants to take care of them and their self and their families. Second misconception of home science is not a real science. Many people think that home science is not a real science, and also think that home science is not important or challenging. But it have a scientific principles to everyday life, like chemistry in cooking and biology in cleaning. Third misconception, many people think home science is in conclusion, home science is very valued and important. So let's give it a representation that it deserves. Thank you.
First of all, a pleasant morning to one and all present here. This is Ariba from Standard 9, and today I get a chance to share my experience on the topic of misconception about home science. Home science is an important subject that teaches us daily life, such as cooking, nutrition, hygiene, child care, and home management. Many people have misconceptions are only for girls, only about cooking, not a serious subject, not a career opportunity, not related to science. Home science.
First of all, a pleasant morning to one and all present here. This is Mahawashala from class 9, and today I got a chance to share my thoughts on the topic of misconception about home science. Home science only teaches cooking, stitching, and many words. That it includes this effect with. अरे यार क्या कर रही है सब?